Hello everybody. So this is a Blum hinge. This is a soft close hinge. This is what I use on my cabinets. And this is these two drawings are to show you. So this screw here moves the door, the hinge that direction. It adjusts this gap. See how big this gap is now? It's almost as wide as a screwdriver. So in this case I'm going to counterclockwise unscrew. And then you just check it, and when it's right you stop. And this screw here moves the hinge in and out from the cabinet, in which case like if you have a space here you can move it closer to the cabinet here, and likewise you can move this one further away and it'll act like a teeter-totter and move this closer to the cabinet. Alright, so there's these screws here which can be loosened, and this can be slid up and down. That's how you move the actual door up and down. To remove and replace the standard Blum hinge on a door, there's a tab right here, and you squeeze it together with this. It's probably going to kind of fall off as I do this, and it's off. And you make sure you hold the door when you're taking it off, or you'll lose the door. All right, so there's a bar, and that bar hooks onto that first, and then it just snaps on, and then your door's back on. Thanks for watching, everybody. I do a lot of tutorials, I do exploration videos. There's a lot of things on my channel, so check it out, like the videos and subscribe.